Hello children, today we celebrate Republic Day, the day India chose to be ruled by the laws, not by the individuals. On 26th Jan 1950, our constitution came into force. It gave us rights and freedom. But more importantly, it gave us responsibilities. Freedom without discipline lead to chaos. Rights without responsibilities lead to a failure. Being a good citizen does not start after becoming an officer or a leader. It starts now as a student. When you study sincerely, you respect the nation. When you follow rules, you strengthen the democracy. When you try to be honest, even without any proper supervision, you protect the constitution. Patriotism is not shouting slogans once a year. Patriotism is doing the right thing every day. India needs no more words. India needs responsible, disciplined, thinking students like you. Let's promise today that we will become the citizens that our constitution can be proud of. Jai Hind.